Good morning, this is Sadhana from Sadhana Secret Flavors and Fables. Hope you are liking my videos. ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತೊಂದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆದ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಸಿಪ್ಪೆದು. ಸಿಪ್ಪೆ means the skin of rich gold, but you should not peel the whole skin. For that, the ingredients I will tell you. The peels of the rich gold. There is coconut, ತೆಂಗಿನಕಾಯಿ ಇದೆ, ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿದು peels ಇದೆ, little salt, tamarind, hing, asafoetida, and green chilies. This is the only thing. Ghee to roast the green chili and the hing, and the peels. So you have to just remove the peels like this, the skin. You can see, don't throw these away. This chutney is very tasty. So like this, remove the, when you use the rich gold, ಹೀರೆಕಾಯಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಇದನ್ನ ಹೀಗೆ ತೆಗಿರಿ, ಈ ಥರ ಪೀಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ, and ಇದನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. Okay, so I'll keep it aside. So these are the peels. ಇದನ್ನ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ತೊಳೆದು, clean them properly, nicely wash them, and then I've already cooked. ಅದನ್ನ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ 10 minutes cook ಮಾಡಿ. I've kept it ready. This is already cooked peels which I've kept, so that we'll not waste time. So now we'll start the chutney. In a small pan, after you switch on the gas, just add a little ghee. ಇದು ತುಪ್ಪದಲ್ಲಿ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಪರಿಮಳ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. And just have these green chilies, add it to the ghee. I have added only 3 because they are a little spicy. And then, and why did I cut the chilies? Because it has this tendency of spluttering on your face. So I've just cut them, half them, and I've added it to the ghee. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ. ಈ ಥರ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಪರಿಮಳ ಬರೋ ತನಕ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ರೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಚಟ್ನಿ ಮಾಡೋದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರ್ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡೋದು. ಕೋಕೋನಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲನೂ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾಕ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನು ಹಾಕೋದು, ಬೇಯಿಸಿಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ರಿಚ್ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ peels, the one which is cooked for about 10 minutes. Those peels I'm adding the tamarind. Everything you can add according to your taste. I'm adding a little salt. All you can taste and add a little water, and now we'll start grinding. ಚಟ್ನಿ ರೆಡಿ ಆಯಿತು ನೋಡಿ. ಮಿಕ್ಸರಿಂದ ತೆಗೆದು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾನು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ಲೇವರ್, fragrance, and also this is very good for health. So do never throw away the peels of good vegetables like chow chow and rich gold. So many other vegetables you can use, even the capsicum chutney, capsicum seeds chutney. You can make lots of chutneys. I will be showing in my videos in the future. Hope you like my rich gold peels chutney. Enjoy. Please like, share my videos, and if there's any request you want to, any videos you want me to, new recipes or anything, I will surely this one your request, fulfill your request. And please enjoy this. You can have with hot rice, with anything, dosa, anything, but with hot rice it tastes the best. So enjoy yourself. Have a great day.